Everybody, I've got another one for you today. This one should be relatively quick. This one is for the heater resistor or heater blower resistor. So this one is where your heater's only working in high. I'll go ahead and give you a quick demo on this one. So you've got heat going, but your blower only works in the high mode. So if you're on all these lower settings don't do anything, the only way to get heat is to go full blast. So this is a resistor. You can order them off of Amazon. You can get them off of Rugged Ridge, Omex, and then I'm going to show you how to put this one in here real quick today. It's right down in here under the dash, and we'll go ahead and take a look. What we're going to want to do is we're going to come in the passenger side right on the floor, right underneath the dash. What we're doing is we're going for this piece right here. This is what we're going to be changing. It is a 7mm. If you don't have a 7mm, you could alternatively grab a 9/32. It's just a little bit looser. So you can undo this plug right here. Just like that. And then you can see there's two bolts you're going to have to get to right here and right here. There's the new one that's going to be going in. Should be the same thing as your old one. Let me go ahead and get these 7mm off. In order to get to this back screw, you got to get this piece out. It is a 9mm, and there's two nuts down here on the bottom that you're going to have to do. They should just look just like that. And then this piece should then be able to move out of our way. This one controls the flap here. With that out of the way, we can switch back to our 7mm and go ahead and take this other screw off. Just like that. And this pops out. There you go. Looks like we had somebody making a nest in there. That's probably why this one fried out. So then what you're going to want to do is take the same direction that this one came out, right, with the 3 pins on the top, 1 on the bottom. You're going to take your new one and go ahead and put it back in the same way. Before I do that, what we're going to do is we're actually check and make sure there's not a bunch of dirt in there. It looks pretty clear. The flap looks a little bit rusted out. The fan looks a little rusty in there too, but we're going to go ahead and throw the new resistor in. 3 pins on the top, 1 on the bottom, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and throw these 2 screws back in. Be careful on those 2 screws. You really don't need much. They're going into plastic, so don't get too carried away with them. Then you're going to either reconnect this flap. You line up the 2 studs on the bottom with the 2 holes, just like that. Then you're going to take your 2 nuts that you pulled off. These were the 9mm, so go ahead and put those 2 back on. Same with the other ones. You really don't need too much holding these on. There's not much force, and they're not terribly critical, so don't get too carried away with them. Then you want to go ahead and put this connector back on, just like that. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. High, medium, and low. There you go, look at that, just like There you go. Hope this was helpful for everybody. Go ahead and leave some comments. Leave some likes down below. If there's something you would have done differently, go ahead and put that in the comments. Let me know. We're all here to learn, so if there's something I did a little bit wrong, go ahead and put it in the comments. Thank you. Have a good day.